Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I'm excited to bring you Timberland's Hellcore 6-inch classic boot. Let's take a look at it. Typically make an unboxing video out of every single thing that I buy, as that would just be impossible. I would have no time to do them all. However, I ordered this pair of boots from Journeys because they are a new color that is being released for the 2021 holiday season. They are available from Journeys for $197 with 99 cents. Why they're not just $200, I really don't have any idea. Let's go ahead and the box. So what I've noticed is that Timberland unboxings tend to be fairly straightforward, and there tend to be not much in them. But let's go ahead and take them both out. And that's it. We don't get anything else in the box. This isn't like a cell phone unboxing in which we got tons of goodies. It looks like we just got the boots themselves, and that is it. So I'm going to set one down sideways. I don't even want to do that anymore. So here they are. If I can be honest with you, it is. It's not like pure white. It's not like a brilliant white. I would say it's definitely an off-white. It's almost like a plaster white. Honestly, it's not brilliant white here. I'm not sure how well my camera can capture that, but if you can see, the midsole is actually a fairly a fairly brilliant white, but then when you compare it or you put it right next to the actual material of the boot, let me see how that comes up. There we go. So if you can see that the actual midsole is like a brilliant white, but then when you compare it to the rest of the boot looks, again, a little bit off-white. Again, almost like a plaster color. Now, what attracted me to these boots, again, is it's because it's a new color. I haven't seen this before. And something that was mentioned on the website was Hellcore. These are not made out of nubuck or suede, as Timberlands typically tend to be. And also, these are not the premium. These are just a classic 6-inch boot, as you can tell by just the rubber outsole. As stated earlier, we have here what is called Helcor, which is basically a faceless leather that is obtained when you separate the lower layers of the split leather from the flesh, providing a faceless leather that doesn't really have any discerning characteristics from either side. And that's where Helcor comes in, and they refinish the leather to create a new surface that looks like such. But here's my confusion though. If Hellcore is meant to be this super rugged, super tough material that is meant to be, abrasion, scuff resistant, that is meant to hold up, I don't know how it's going to get to do that if this actual Hellcore material is super, super porous, and when you touch it, it's not soft like nubuck or suede. It's definitely a lot rougher. It is not soft. It's rough. Just how it looks as a texture conveys, that's pretty much how you would imagine it to feel. There is no softness on the outside of this, but again, this is Hellcore. This is meant to be a more rugged, more tough material, especially for people that work in the industry or that have industrial jobs. And again, same thing on the other side. We know we don't really have anything too different on the other boot, but it is nonetheless a very, very nice boot. Very nice color scheme, again, with the white, the black, and the Hellcore tag up here. Nonetheless, a very nice pair of boots that I'm probably going to use. I don't know if I'm going to be dailying these, but I'm definitely going to be using these in the wintertime, and I am looking forward to see how they age. I am very concerned about stains on these, as it is a very, very porous material, even more so than regular suede or regular nubuck, as again, this is porous on both sides. So if I imagine a stain were to get in there, it would probably seep all the way in there, because it's a super, super breathable material. Waterproof, but super, super breathable nonetheless, which concerns me. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be waterproofing these. Go ahead and let me know in the comments how to care for these. Do you have any experience in treating Helcor leather, as I would imagine that it would be the same as normal Timberlands? However, I'm not 100% sure, as again, this is Helcor. It is not the typical one. And all the information that I saw online regarding Helcor boots was for the ones with that diamond pattern, with the wheat colored ones and the black ones. No information about just this plain one, as this is, again, a newer model that just came out this holiday season. Make sure you don't miss out on a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, where we give out an Alcatel Droid Tab 2 tablet when we reach 750 subscribers. You don't have to be subscribed, but it definitely helps us get there a lot quicker. And as always, thanks for watching. Oh, don't forget to watch my Jingle Bells parody. Click up here. It's very, very good. It's very, very funny. I promise you will laugh. Click up here. And as always, thanks for watching.